So this is Al. I don't know if you can hear me, but we took Vinny's Mini out for a run. Broke down, but now the RSEQ has broke down. You can see their tyre there. So we've been waiting for a couple of hours. There's been, and now we got to wait for the tow truck to get fixed. So I must have killed a Chinaman. There's the guilty parties there. But okay, well, wish us luck.
Pretty good up there.
It is. Now, do you often come up there? Do you often get punches when you're rescuing people?
Well, hi, it's another action-packed rescue here, and here we are, and we've totally shagged the tyres on the tow truck, so we're going to have to wait for the cavalry to come and assess the situation. But I'm just going to make this area safe and lay out some witches' hats. Between the fog and the lighthouse, I really think that we'll be okay.
Oh, that sounds good. No wonder he got a puncher, folks. Yeah. But anyway, there's Vinny, yeah, and there's the Mini.
All right.
And this, look at this lovely new truck, and it's just got a puncher. And stand in front of your truck. Try and look intelligent.
Okay. So I've come down to rescue these two young strapping lads of the Bruce Highway, and I've got a puncher, and now I need to someone to rescue me. Maybe a Simpsons episode. Who's going to tow the tow truck?
Yeah. Okay. Alright, well that's the adventures. What was your name?
I'm Glenn. Glenn from Clayton Stowing.
Alright, don't say this last one.
Oh God.
Yeah, okay. So here's the other truck come to fix our truck. It's great when it's easily done, isn't it? We've only been waiting about 4 hours now.